Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Inalulungkot po namin sabihin na nagkaroon po ng isang insidente dito sa aming paaralan sa campus po ng Ateneo de Zamboanga University Junior High School building sa barangay Tumaga ngayong umaga po. Ang mga detalye po ay patuloy pa namin pong inaalam. Gusto ko pong banggitin na nung nalaman po namin na mayroong insidente po dito sa campus po ito, sa pakikipagtulungan po natin sa kapulisan at sa local government unit, magdadagal po tayong nagpunta at tinignan kung ano ang nangyayari sa sitwasyon. Ang pangunahing kagustuhan po namin at that time was to make sure that all our students who are at the main building, this campus of junior high school, at saka po ang ating mga elementary or grade school students, be properly evacuated. Sila po ay evacuate papunta po sa mas malayong covered court kung saan ang kanilang mga guro at ang ilang po natin mga empleyado ay nakasama po sila at inaalagaan at binibigyan pansin. We recognize that this incident could cause a lot of deep concern and worry for our parents, our families, the guardians, for the students, their loved ones whom you've entrusted to us. And we're deeply saddened by this incident. Prior to this, our security team has been preparing even for a simulation exercise, precisely because we understand the value of keeping everyone, our students and our personnel, safe. This is our primary objective, and that is why we are deeply saddened by this incident. We are confirming that there are 2 fatalities. We are in the process of working with police for us to be able to identify them so that we could communicate first to their loved ones. We do not have any other information as of this time. Then we would like to share them as responsibly as we can, as soon as we have them. Ngayong araw po na ito, ang ating lahat po ng antas po ng pag-aaral, all of our classes in all levels at the Ateneo de Zamboanga University are canceled, all the way from kindergarten to grade school, junior high school, college, and professional schools. Tomorrow, we are hoping as a community, those among the personnel, to come together in prayer and in mourning for what we have. We will remain cooperative with our government officials and the police. We hold ourselves, obviously, to our accountability when it comes to these matters. And so we also request that people, the public, understand that this time, this moment, we still do not have enough information for us to make any very clear conclusions. And we would like to assure the public that we will share with you information that would be helpful in understanding what the truth is. So this time, to assure everyone that those from the grade school who are already here ay nasa proseso na po sinusundot po sila ng kanilang mga magulang, kanilang mga guardians. And we're doing that very closely with our city government officials and with the community, of course with our own security office. Likewise for our junior high school students who have also been evacuated. At no particular time when they've been evacuated, have they been left alone by themselves. Our very diligent and very caring, compassionate administrators and faculty members and teachers remain with them. We also have on standby our personnel for the guidance office, including one Jesuit, Father Joel Duana, who is part of our team at senior high school and also to be able to provide immediate psychological first aid for those who need for those parents and guardians who are very much concerned with their children, to understand kung gaano po kahirap tanggap nito kanila. No one would want this to happen. Kung nasa campus na po kayo, nandito na po kayo, maaari nyo pong suluin, katulad na po yung ginagawa na po natin ang inyong mga anak sa isang paraan na orderly. We have security and police waiting at the gates so that your loved ones, your children, will be released properly and indoors to be treated. Again po, nalulungkot po kami sa kaganapan na hindi po namin nanais na ito po ay hindi lang po nagkakapin. Hindi namin nanais ito na mabulit pa sa ating mga paaralan, sa ating paaralan. Maraming salamat po sa ating city government.
We will listen. We will not entertain any questions because we are still responding to the emergency, but we will have the official police
Ma'am, ang sugatan na sila.
for the police.
Yes po, no, bale, actually kanina no, natanggap na natin yung report for alleged shooting incident dito banda sa Ateneo sa Tumaga campus. So may personnel naman tayo naka-deploy banda sa Ateneo, no? Kaya naka-respond agad and additional forces din dumating dito from the mobile forces and other station and other security forces dumating dito. So yung unang ginawa din natin, no, yung sinecure agad yung mga estudyante and also sinecure din natin yung scene of incident. So after na secure natin yung scene of incident, create na rin po tayo ng incident command post, no, para at least doon mapag-usapan at maplanuhan kung ano pa yung mga dapat gawin. So wag na po tayo mag-alala, no, yung situation na contain na natin, no, and yung area na secure na rin po natin. So yun lang po.
Sir, balikan ng sugatan, sir. Ilan ang
Bali,
sugatan?
yung nakita natin na may dalawa po yung nawala ng buhay dito sa insidente. So
Sugatan, sir?
wala pa tayong confirmation pero yung initially nakita natin may dalawa po yung nawala ng buhay. So i-review pa namin lahat ng mga CCTV, mga statement para mabigay namin sa inyo yung saktong kung ano talaga yung nangyari dito sa insidente.
So we will give you, as of now, there are only 2 identified persons that have been fatalities. Further investigation will be done.